Hey friends, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to refurbish, restore, rehab, and rescue furniture that you may find at a thrift store or old pieces that you may have around the house, but on a budget. As you can see, I'm going to be working with this wood bar stool and TV tray that I found at my local thrift. But before we do anything, we have to sand the furniture. And sanding helps to remove any paint or finishes that are already coating the furniture and makes it ready for a new coat. It also helps to smooth and resurface any chipping or imperfections. And luckily for me, one of my good girlfriends decided to help me out with the sanding portion. It took us about 30 minutes to really make sure we got into every space, every nook, every cranny, and really made sure that the wood was prepared adequately for the painting process. And after you finish sanding, you want to make sure that you remove all the dust from the surface with either a painter's dust brush or a lint-free rag. And now for the most exciting part of the video, it is time to start painting. Today I'm going to be using Oleum's 2x Ultra Cover Paint and Primer Spray in the shade Metallic Gold. And to reaffirm and seal the metallic gold, we're going to be using Oleum's 2x Ultra Cover Spray Paint in the shade Gloss Clear. And per the manufacturer's instructions, this product is meant to be fast drying. It bonds to plastic, wood, metal, it seals, and it protects, and it also revitalizes, which I found all to be true. And as you can see, I bought 3 of each and I end up only using 2. And for my gloves today, I'm going to be using the HTR chemical resistant work gloves. They're heavy duty and cotton lined in a size large. So before you use your product, you always want to shake it for about 30 to 60 seconds to ensure that the propellant and the paint are mixed thoroughly and that the product can be pushed out in a fine, even mist. You also don't want to be like me and spray paint your items on an angle, and I was doing this so that the camera could catch the texture, and I ended up having to go back and fix it towards the end so it didn't have any streaky leak marks. And you also want to spray paint 8 to 12 inches away from your item just to make sure you're getting an even coating all over. And I personally use plastic bags because it wasn't a large job, but I would definitely recommend a disposable drop cloth so that you can just do what you gotta do and toss it in the trash as well. So I would also say do this on a non-windy day so that your cloth is not blowing up onto your items, which didn't cause too much turmoil. But I'm sharing this video because outside of my typical beauty content, I do like DIY things for my home. I have so many other interests aside from beauty, and I really hope that you will embark with me on this journey to diversifying my content and bringing more lifestyle content. So let me know in the comments what you think below. If you're like, girl, no, just stick to beauty, I want to hear that as well. So after doing about 3 coats of the gold, and I let each coat sit for about 20 to 30 minutes or so because the product is fast drying, I'm now going in with the gloss clear, and I did about 2 coats of that. And this is the final product. As you can see, it has a nice coating, and the real reason I use spray paint is because as it ages, I really wanted that vintage aesthetic. And look at that shine. It's so beautiful. It's so vibrant. I actually shot this video almost 2 years ago because I needed this chair and this tabletop for when I shoot my tutorials, and I still am in love like the first day I made it. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope to see you in the comments below, and God willing, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.